Hello guys, come back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Kling AI to your phone. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to your Apple Store or your Play Store and go over to the search button and search it. Let me do that right away. So look at it here. So what you have to do is for you to go over to get to you'll be able to install for you to download the app straight to your phone. So let me double click it. So I use my face ID on it and it will download. So this Kling AI, you can use it to generate image and video, AI image, dancing video and picture, so whichever one you want to use it for. So it won't take time, it will download. Let's wait a few seconds. So it's done. What you have to do is for you to go over to open. So over here you'll be able to download and install your Kling AI, so you can continue with generating image and so the next step for you is for you to sign in on it. So in my next video I'm going to do it, and this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.